Hi, this is John with WTI. And right here with me, I have my 100% cacao from Hershey's. And right now, what I can tell you is first, it's unsweetened. So it's not going to be adding any of sugars. So it's easy to dissolve. It's easy just to add into anything that you probably are thinking of. So I've done milkshakes. I've used my oatmeal that I do most of the time. So I'd add up this and not having to add too many sugars or any syrup. This guy here just mix and blends well with almost anything. The fact that this is 100% cacao, you can have the idea or that you can do anything. You can bake a cake, you can use this to have your milkshakes, or if you want to do your oatmeal or anything. Any mixture in this guy is just going to deliver perfectly. So if you're just trying to use cacao that is going to be unsweetened, high quality, and it just does the job great in diluting into anything. This guy just does the job. This was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.